Hello friends, today in this video we are going to understand about a function. What is a function? Its definition and some example of function. So friends, let's see. Function. A relation f from x to y. A relation f from x to y means f is a subset or equal to x cross y. That means the relation f contains the ordered pairs of Cartesian product x cross y. Cartesian product of x and y. So friends, f is a relation and this relation is called a function. If it satisfies the following two conditions. What are they? First, domain of relation, you can write d f or you may write dom of f, domain of f you can write. So domain of relation must be the set X, the first this set, and XY two non-empty set. Okay, and second condition is if XY and XZ two ordered pair, distinct ordered pairs, then here you see the first coordinate is same, the first coordinate of this ordered pair and first coordinate of this ordered pair is same, and the second coordinate, okay, is y here z. If they are different, then we cannot say the relation f is a function. So, if such ordered pairs existing, then the first ordered pair, you see here x is first coordinate. In second ordered pair, the first coordinate is x. If the first coordinate is same, then to be a function, the second coordinate should be equal. Otherwise, we cannot say f is a function. Understood? So, if these two ordered pairs are present in relation f, then y the second coordinates, z the second coordinate must be equal. Then only we can say the relation f is a function. Otherwise, it is not a function. So, in another words, you can say no two distinct ordered pairs in f have the same first coordinate. Okay, no two distinct ordered pairs in f have the same first coordinate. Okay. So for example, you see, let X set contains the elements 3, 4, 5 and Y set contains the elements A, B and C. Okay. Now here three relations are given, and now we check which relations are function and which are not. So friends, if these two conditions satisfies, then we can say yes, the relation is a function, otherwise not. So friends, see, this relation is a function or not. First thing we have to see that domain of relation F1 is equal to X or not. So domain of F1, relation F1. Here domain means you know what? The set of first coordinate of all ordered pairs of relation F1. Okay, so first coordinate, the set of first coordinate. First coordinate is here 3, 4, again 3. So no need to write it. So the domain contains 3 and 4. But here you see X is what? X contains 3, 4, 5. So the domain of F1 is not equal to X. So first condition is not satisfied. So friends, this relation is not a function. So F1 is not a function. Understood? Now come to check F2 relation is a function or not. Okay. So first we see the domain of F2. So domain of F2. The domain is what? Set of first coordinate of all ordered pair of F2. So first coordinate is 3, then 4, then again here 5, then again 5. So no need to write again. So domain of F2 is equal to, it contains 3, 4 and 5, and which is equal to set X, the first set, this X. So first condition is satisfied. Now we see the second one, whether it is satisfied or not. So second is, no two distinct ordered pairs in F have the same first coordinate. See, this ordered pair, this ordered pair, and this ordered pair, these four ordered pairs are distinct, different from one another. So, here you observe this ordered pair and this ordered pair. Here the first coordinates is same 5, 5, but B does not equal to C. So, as they are distinct, so B does not equal to C. So, we have that the second condition is not satisfied, okay, for this relation F2. That's why relation F2 is not a function. So, you can write relation F2 is not a function. Now come to the relation F3. See, first condition is domain of F3 must be equal to the set X. Okay, so here domain of F3, the set of first coordinates 3, 4, 5, 3, 4 and 5, which is equal to set X. So, first condition is satisfied. Now come to second. No two distinct ordered pairs in F have the same first coordinate. See, here this ordered pair, the three ordered pairs are distinct, and no two ordered pair have the same first coordinate. Here first coordinate is 3, here first coordinate is 4, here first coordinates is 5, and they are different from one another. So, the second condition is also satisfied. So, now we can say the relation F3 is a function. So, F3 is a function. Okay. So, friends, here you see mapping or map, or you may say relation or function. Okay. So, here set X contains 1, 2, 3, 4, and set Y contains 1, 4, 9, 16. Okay. Now you see every element of set X is exactly related to one element. See, 1 is related to 1, 2 is related to 4, 3 is related to 9, 4 is related to 16. So, this kind of function is called 1 and 1 function. So, example is here you see F1 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, 4, 16. Here domain of this function is x set, and no two distinct ordered pair have the same what? Same first coordinates. So here you see 1, 2, 3, 4. The first coordinate of all ordered pairs are different from one another. So f1 is a function, it is called 1, 1 function. Okay, you can show like this also. 1, you get 1. 1, get like this. So this kind of function is called 1, 1 function. Now come to many one function. Here you see two elements, 1 and minus 1, is they are related to the element 1. So many 1, many to 1. So 2 and minus 2 are related to 4. And you see here, every element of x is related to exactly one element. 1 is related to exactly one element. Minus 1 is related to exactly one element. So it is a function. See here. Now we see the domain. Domain of this function f2, this is x set. See, domain is what? 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, 3. So domain of f2 is 1, minus 1, 2, 2, minus 2 and 3. Okay. So this domain of f2 is equal to set x. So first condition satisfied. Then next condition is no two distinct ordered pairs in relation f2 have the same first coordinate. So first coordinate is 1, here minus 1, 2, minus 2, 3. The first coordinates of all ordered pairs are different from one another. So second condition also satisfies, so it is also a function. So here you can show like this. Many, you get 1. Many means if you give input 2, then you get 1. 3, then you get 1. Such kind of function is called many one function. So here many to 1, many to 4. Here 3 is related to 9. So this is your many one function. Now come to one many. One many. In this case, you see the domain of f4, domain of f4, what? The set of first coordinates of ordered pair. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is equal to x, the first set. Okay, so first condition satisfied. Now we see second condition. Second condition is what? No two distinct ordered pairs have the first what? The first coordinate same. So here you see in these two ordered pair, first coordinate is what? Same. So second, what? Second condition is not satisfied for relation F4. Here you see many to many. One is related to A and B. 2 is related to A and C. 3 is related to B and D. So, in these two cases, that is one many or many to many. In this case, this type of function does not exist. Means one to many or many to many case does not exist. Okay? That means we cannot say F4 is a function. F4 is not a function. Okay? So, if you give one input, if you are getting two or more output, then such kind of relation is not a function. So, in this case and this case, we cannot say the function. Okay? So, F4 is not a function. Okay? So, you remember one input, if you are getting two or more output, then not a function. See, not a function, not a function. Understood? And remember this, if F1 is a function, then you see here 1 is related to 1. Here we say the image of 1 is 1. Image of 2 is 4. So, image of 2 is 4. 3. Image of 3 is 9. Image of 4 is 16, we say. In other words, you can say the pre-image of 1 is 1. Pre-image of 1 is 1 and pre-image of 4 is 2. Pre-image of 9 is 3. Pre-image of 16 is 4. Okay? So, image of 1 is 1. Image of minus 1 is 1. Okay? Here you can say pre-image of 1 is 1 and minus 1. Pre-image of 4 is 2 and minus 2. Pre-image of 9 is 3. Understood? So, image of these elements are here. The pre-image of these elements in X set. Okay, friends? Now, friends, we know the difference between relation and function. What are the differences? between relation and function. So friends, here it is a subset of the Cartesian product of two sets x and y, a and b, any two, the subset of a cross b, x cross y, like this. So it is a subset of the Cartesian product of two sets, and it is denoted by R, capital R. Here you see, a function is a relation. A function is a relation in which there is only one output for each input. There is only one output for each input. Okay? It is denoted by capital F or small f. Okay? So for example, let set A contains 2, 3, 5 and 9. V set contains what? V, X, Y and Z elements. And relation is from A to B. Okay? And this is the relation. 2 is related to X, 2 is related to X, 9 is related to what? Y, 3 is related to X, 2 is related to Z, 3 is related to Y, like this. Okay? This is a relation. Now come to function. Set A is equal to, it contains 2, 3, 5, 9. Same example I have taken here. So here B is equal to V, here B contains V, X, Y and Z elements. Okay, so F is here a function. See, only one output for each input. Here input is first coordinate, that is 2 input, output is what? X. Input 5, output X. Input 9, output Y. Input 3, output V. So for each input we are getting exactly one output. For 2 we are getting exactly one output, that is X. For 5 we are getting exactly one output. For 9 we are getting exactly one output. So this relation is a function. But now you see, this relation is a function or not. Here, for each input, if you are getting exactly one output, then we can say that relation is a function. Here you see one input is 2, but you are getting 2 output, X and Z. If input is 3, then you are getting 2 output, X and Y. So this relation is not a function. So you remember that every relation is not a function. Every relation is not a function. Okay, but every function is a relation. Every function is a relation. Understood? Why this is not a function? Because for what? Same input we are getting different output. Here two input we are getting two different output. Okay. Or also you can see the second condition, that is what? Two ordered pair. Here two distinct ordered pair having the same first coordinate. First coordinate is 2, here 2. Okay, so this relation is not a function. So friends,